don't think a single moment with you, and I love you so much. For me, you are my soulmate. You are one of the most precious and wonderful person of my life. You know what, Leng? I want to say thank you for the architect and creator of the world. Because he gave me you. You are the source of my happiness, my success, and my inspiration. All I want in life is to be the reason for you to look forward to waking up every day with a smile. I love you for everything you are. Thank you for all the good moments that you brought into my life. Because you are so special. May this special day of your life be filled with very special things that life can offer. On your special day today, there are so many people who must be thinking about you. But I just want you to know that none of them can love you the way I do. I love you so much. You are the greatest gift from God. I have no wish other than to love you for the rest of my life. Madrama man pag narinig ng iba, okay lang. Dahil ito naman talaga ang nararamdaman ko para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita. Every day with you is special, but today is extra special because it's your day. I don't have many words to describe what I feel for you. Meeting you is the best thing that ever happened in my life. Happy birthday, Leng. I love you so much. Ayan, meron po ba kayong gustong sabihin sa sender po natin? Kami na lang dalawang mag-uusap. Ayan, sila na lang daw po dalawang mag-uusap. So, pwede po ba natin siyang kantahan na lang ng happy birthday? Sabay niyo po ako. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yung mabilis naman po, sabay-sabay tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. And wish mo na po before we wet candle. Ayan, talapan po natin si Ma'am Leng, and once again, happy 22nd birthday mo.
I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs. Now we're under the covers. Fast forward